All right, so one of the big things that we've talked a lot about throughout this entire semester is the importance of organization. It's really in order for you to convey your message effectively into the mind of the audience, everything needs to be ordered in a way that makes sense and is easy for everyone to follow. I really think that good organization starts out from the very beginning of the speech itself in that introduction. So the introduction is going to be our opening, where we're not just revealing the topic to our audience, but also making sure that they are ready to listen, willing to engage in the content, and also kind of have an idea of everything that's going to be coming up. So in order to have really good organization and kind of this clear structure for the audience to follow, there are 5 main parts of the introduction, or 5 things that we really want our introduction to do. First, we need to have some sort of an attention getter. So this can be somewhat of an some sort of a statement to get everyone to quiet down and want to actually listen to what you're saying. So it should start out at an appropriate volume, and also might have something funny, clever, interesting to kind of get people interested. Next, the second thing that we want our introduction to do is to actually reveal the topic. The audience needs to know what it is we're actually talking about. This is going to be in the form of our thesis statement, and also just giving that background information onto that topic. Next, you want to make sure that the audience understands how the topic relates to them. This is in the form of what we call a relevance statement. Basically, you just want the audience to actually have some sort of a stake in whatever topic you're discussing, whether that's a direct role or even if it's indirect, but some reason that the audience wants to care about listening and engaging with what you're talking about. The fourth part of the introduction is going to be your credibility statement. This is really important to convince the audience that you, the speaker, know what you're talking about. So that might be introducing your previous expertise, or even just talking about your own interest in the topic and the research that you've done on it. And then finally, the fifth part of our introduction is going to be a preview of the speech. So you want to give us a sense of what those main points are going to look like moving forward as you move out of your introduction into the body of your speech. So overall, the 5 things that your introduction should do to have good organization: have an attention getter, reveal the topic in a thesis statement, make the audience care with the relevance statement, talk about your own expertise with a credibility statement, and then finally preview all the main points in the speech.